Hello friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to our channel. Dear friends, in this video we are going to study question number 6 of practice set 3.1. In previous video we studied examples from 1 to 5. Now in this video we will complete practice set 3.1 from example number 6. Let's see question number 6 first. Write the following polynomials in standard form. Now standard form means what? In introduction we saw. Standard form means only the arrangement of powers in a descending order. That is the only standard form. We have to arrange powers only, but in descending order. Now let's see. Answer. First I write given polynomial as it is. Given polynomial m cube plus 3 plus 5m, and now let's write that in standard form. In standard form what we have to do? We have to arrange only powers. What is highest power here? 3 means m cube first. After 3 what will be there? Power 2. But power 2 is not here, that's why don't write. Power 2 is not there. Then power 1 here plus 5m, and at last constant. What is index of constant? 0. Now see 3 1 0. We have arranged powers in descending order. Terms are same. Here 1 2 3 3 terms, here also 3 terms. Number of terms will not decrease or increase. We have to just change their position according to their power. This is the standard form. Let's see second polynomial. Second given polynomial is this. First I write given polynomial as it is. Given polynomial minus 7y plus y raised to 5 plus 3y cube minus 1 upon 2 plus 2y raised to 4 minus y square. See, first we wrote given polynomial as it is, and now standard form. In standard form, arrange their powers. First see what is the highest power, means degree. You write down degree first, highest power. 1, 5, 3, 0, 4, 2. Highest is y raised to 5. Then write down that first, y raised to 5. After power 5, 4. Write 4. 4 is here. Plus 2y raised to 4. After 4, power 3. Power 3 here. 3y raised to 3. After 3, power 2. Power 2 here. Minus y square. After square, power 1. Power 1 is here. Minus 7y. And after 1, constant at last. Minus 1 upon 2. Now arrange. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. This is the standard form of this given polynomial. Question number 7 of practice set 3.1 is write the following polynomials in coefficient form. For coefficient form is the last step. Before coefficient form, that polynomial should be in the standard form. Now here I write this polynomial, given polynomial. Given polynomial is x square minus 2. Is it in standard form? Means are their powers arranged? Then yes. Then no need to write standard form. If that is not given in the standard form, you have to write in standard form. But already this is in standard form. That's why no need to write again. After standard form, we have to write index form. Index form. Index form means what? If some powers are missing, then we have to write these missing terms with coefficient 0. Now let's see what is degree here. Highest index 2, x square, power is 2. After 2, which power should be there? 1, but power 1 is not given. That's why we have to write that power with coefficient 0. 0x. 0x. This is missing term. And after that, power 0 means constant minus 2. Let's say 2, 1, 0. Now this is called index form. Standard form means only arrangement. Index form is the form with missing terms. Those powers are missing, we have to write this with coefficient 0. And after index form, we have to write coefficient form. Coefficient form. And now what to do? Just collect coefficients in the bracket. Collect all coefficients. Here coefficient 1, give comma. Here coefficient 0, give comma, and last minus 2. This is coefficient form. Coefficient form we cannot write directly. For that, 3 steps are must. First standard form, then index form, and then coefficient form. By these 3 steps we can write coefficient form. Second polynomial is 5y. Now I write here given polynomial is 5y. This is monomial. Is it in standard form? Only one term means standard form only. Then no need to write standard form. After standard form, we have to write index form. This is compulsory. Index form. What to do in index form? We have to write all missing terms. Now 5y. What is power here? 1. After 1, what is there? 0. Then plus 0. Now here you see 1 and here 0. 1, 0. Finished. And now coefficient form. Write coefficients only. 5, give comma, and here 0. This is coefficient form of this polynomial. Third polynomial is 2m raised to 4. I write given polynomial again. Given polynomial is 2m raised to 4 minus 3m square plus 7. Is this polynomial in standard form? Let's check their powers. 4, 2, 0. Yes, that is in standard form. Then no need to write again. After that, index form. Index form means we have to write missing terms there. Those powers are not given, we have to write these powers. 2m raised to 4. After 4, we want power 3, but not given, that's why 0m raised to 3. After 3, we want power 2. 2 power is given there, minus 3m square. After power 2, we want power 1. Power 1 is not given, that's why there 0m. And at last we want constant. Constant is given 7. Let's check again. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Constant. Power of constant is 0. This is index form. And now coefficient form. Coefficient form is, now write all coefficient. Here coefficient 2, comma. Here coefficient 0, comma. Here coefficient minus 3. Sign is also very important. Don't write 3, minus 3, comma. Here 0. And at last 7. This is coefficient form. Fourth polynomial is given minus 2 upon 3. Given polynomial is equal to minus 2 upon 3. This is constant polynomial. And the power or index of constant polynomial is 0. If that is a single term, standard form is also the same. No need to write again. After that we want index form. Index form means what? We have to write all missing. This is last term. That's why nothing is missing there. nothing is missing, means index form is also no need to write. And after index form we write coefficient, then coefficient form is it itself is coefficient, therefore in bracket minus 2 upon 3. It itself minus 2 upon 3 is coefficient form of that. Number 8 of practice set 3.1 is write the polynomials in index form. We have to write it in index form, but for that we need a variable, therefore generally we take x variable. Here only numbers are given, means this is coefficient form, therefore in solution we have to write first coefficient form. Coefficient form is 1, 2, 3. These are coefficients. Now let's write this in index form. Index form, and for that use variable x. Now for the power, you start from the rightmost side. For power, here power 0, here power 1, and here power 2. Power 2 means x square. 1x square. Coefficient here 1x square plus 2x, here 2 variable x, and plus 3 last number constant. And you know that we never write 1 as a coefficient, therefore index form is x square plus 2x plus 3. Last number is constant term at last. This now second polynomial is given in coefficient form. I write first as it is coefficient form. This is coefficient form is 5, 0, 0, 0, minus 1. Now we have to write in index form. Index form in variable x. But first find out what is the power, then from rightmost you count. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Power 4 means x raised to 4. And coefficient 5. 5 x raised to 4 plus 0 x cube plus 0 x square plus 0 x and at last minus 1. See here 5 x raised to 4 plus 0 x cube plus 0 x square plus 0 x plus minus 1, and this is index form. Third polynomial in coefficient form is given. Coefficient form is minus 2, 2, minus 2, 2. Just write that in index form. Index form is equal to, we are using x variable. Now we want degree, and for degree count from rightmost side. 0, 1, 2, 3, degree 3, minus 2x cube, degree 3, plus 2x square, minus 2x plus 2. This is index form of this polynomial. Question number 9. Write the appropriate polynomials in boxes. This is activity based example. Here some polynomials are given and we have to classify them as quadratic, cubic, linear. These are based on degree, and here binomial, trinomial, monomial, these are based on terms, number of terms. If there is only one term, monomial. If there are two terms, binomial. If there are three terms, trinomial. If degree is 1, linear. If degree is 2, degree means highest index, quadratic, and if degree is 3, cubic. Now let's see. X plus 2. How many terms? 2. Therefore binomial. It will come here. X plus 7. Sorry. X plus 7. 2 terms. Binomial. What is degree of that? 1. Degree is 1. That's why linear. It will come here. Second, x square. How many terms? 1. One term, monomial. X square. What is degree? 2. Degree 2 means quadratic. It will come here. Now here third, x cube plus x square plus x plus 5. What is degree? 3. Degree 3 means cubic. X cube plus x square plus x plus 5. How many terms? 4. But 4 terms we don't have type here. We have till 3 only, trinomial. That's why it will not come here. Next, 2x square plus 5x plus 10. How many terms? 3. 3 terms means trinomial. It will come here. Trinomial. What is degree? 2. Degree 2 means quadratic. Quadratic, here it will come. 2x square plus 5x plus 10. Next, x cube plus 9. How many terms? 2. 2 terms means binomial. Binomial will come here. X cube plus 9. What is degree there? 3. Degree 3 means cubic. Cubic, here it will come. X cube plus 9. Last, 3x square plus 5x. How many terms? 2. 2 terms means binomial. Binomial, again it will come here. 3x square plus 5x. What is degree? 2. Degree 2 means quadratic. Quadratic, then it will come here. 3x square plus 5x. In this way, we completed activity and practice at 3.1 also.